Back in, I was in the military 20 years. Back in 2002, I got back from Iraq, and we had mandatory PT. So during the next 6 months to a year, I just increasingly had pain in my hip, and I didn't understand why. I was very flexible. I was very athletic, as growing up through the military, wrestling, football, basketball, et cetera, running every day, doing whatever. Then one we were stretching, and the lady goes, you should be a lot more flexible as a 20 or a 30, 4-year-old man. And I said, okay, whatever. And then when I retired, like I said, the pain just increasingly got worse every day, every year. And I started doing things. I stopped doing things. I stopped running. I stopped going on hikes. Anything that had to do with with pain. So like I said, I was taking a lot of pain medication. I was cautious about what I did. Then my wife, met her, and she said, I've had enough of us not doing things because you're pain, or you'd have you're taking way too much medication as a young man. So I went to see Crivetti, and he took a X-ray, and he said, Jeff, he says, when do you want it done? I go, well, doc, that's pretty blunt, and I kind of like that. I don't like messing around. I'm military, and my mom and dad were very, not strict, but they told us the way it was. This is what's going to happen, and you're going to do this. And that's the way Crivetti was. I like Dr. Crivetti. He just said, you need it done. This is what you are. You're you're bone on bone. You have degenerative bone disease. You have arthritis, et cetera, et cetera. It's only going to get worse. So after years, over 10 years of putting my sock on, I don't even know how I put my sock on, and tying my shoe for, it took 3 minutes to tie my shoe, to bend over, get to it, oops, and to do my bow and whatever. Finally, my wife said, I had enough, we're going in. And we made an appointment. We got the thing, and it was done. And now I couldn't believe the difference. I was riding bike, I was walking, we were going on trips. And but in the process of that, Dr. Crivetti said, your left one looks just like your right one. It's just that this one was worse. And he says, once this gets done and you're good, he says, this one you're going to feel it. You don't feel it now because this one takes over in the pain department. And sure, I got my right hip done 3 years ago. So I was, 46 years old. And then 3 years later, I told Dr. Crivetti the first time that I can't sleep, that I question on going on vacation, or I'm, multiply, every day I can't tie my shoe or put my sock on. I said, I'm going to come in. And like I said, at the end of last year, I said, Dr. Crivetti, I said, it's time. And so I waited 3 years, and literally probably 4 months. The pain was there. I was not doing the things I was normally doing, and I was taking those medication again. I was taking, Advil and what's the pill I'm looking at? Ibuprofens, 800 milligrams, and it was just I get from the military, and it just, again, I'm doing the same thing I was doing before, losing sleep. So I said, hey, we're doing it again. So we went in, and now 4 months later, I just got it done January 11th of 2016, and here I am. It's May. I just went on a trip back home. Me and my wife go shopping all the time. She loves to shop. It's just, and I don't think about it at all. I put my shoes and my socks on, I bend over, I go to work, and I don't walk around like a pterodactyl anymore, because that's what they said I walked around with. I'm like moving back and forth, but with a limp. And I said, now I don't limp. Everything's good.